Hello student, today we discussed about P block. Okay, previous class we discussed group 16, that is hydrides of group 16, H2S, H2O, H2SE, H2TE, H2PO and their properties. Now we discussed oxygen. Okay, at first preparation of oxygen, how oxygen can prepare from various type of reaction, that is heating effect. At first heating of KClO3, lead nitrate PbNO3 er whole 2, KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7, that is potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7, to form or to produce oxygen. P block group 16. Okay, K2Cr2O7, KClO3, PbNO3 whole 2 and KMnO4. Now at first heating of KClO3, heating form KCl plus O2. Okay, and second PbNO3 whole 2, heating effect PbO plus NO2 plus O2. Okay, now heating of KMnO4, potassium permanganate, heating effect, potassium permanganate form potassium manganate, K2MnO4 plus MnO2 plus O2. Okay, and now heating of K2Cr2O7, that is potassium dichromate, heating of potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7, heating produced Cr2O3 plus K2CrO4 plus oxygen. Okay, clear? In the heating effect of four compound or four method, we can produce oxygen, K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate and KClO3 lead nitrate and KMnO4 potassium permanganate. Okay, this is the process to preparation or produce oxygen gas. And now reactivity of oxygen or properties of oxygen. When oxygen react other element form oxide. What is oxide? Oxygen react with other element or other atom or other compound form oxide compound. There is various type of oxide. We know that oxides. There is various types of oxide. At first acidic oxide, acidic oxide means when an oxide or when an compound is adding with water form acid. Acidic oxide or non-metal oxide, means that non-metal react with oxygen and form acidic oxide. So example of acidic oxide: P2O5, SO3, SO2, CO2, NO2, Cl2O7, and some metal also form acidic oxide. That is, metal form acidic oxide. Metal form acidic oxide. Example: Mn2O7 and V2O5 and Cr2O3. So metal and non-metal also form. Mainly non-metal form acidic oxide, but non-metal means Mn2O7, manganese, vanadium and chromium form non-metal oxide. Okay, and now basic oxide. Basic oxides mean metal oxide. A metal react with oxygen, form a oxide, which further react with water to form base. So this type of oxide is known as basic oxide. Acidic oxide, SO2 react with H2O, form acid, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So these are called acidic oxide. Okay, and now basic oxide. What is basic oxide? Basic oxide means metal oxide, metal oxide. Example: Na2O, K2O, CaO, Fe2O3, MgO, etc. is known as basic oxide. In presence of water, these are form base. That is, Na2O plus H2O react with H2O, form NaOH base. So these are known as basic oxide. And now neutral oxide or amphoteric oxide. At first, amphoteric oxide. Amphoteric oxide means oxide that react both acid and base. Amphoteric oxide means the acid that react both acid and base is known as amphoteric oxide. Okay, example কি আছে amphoteric oxide এর? ZNO, Al2O3, PbO, SNO and SNO2 and BeO, beryllium oxide. So ZNO, Al2O3, PbO, SNO, SNO2 and BeO etc. is known as amphoteric oxide. Okay, and another is neutral oxide. Neutral oxide means does not react both acid and base. Amphoteric oxide react with acid and base, but neutral oxide does not react with acid and base. Example: H2O, NO, CO and N2O. These are neutral oxide. Okay, and now there is another various type of oxide, that is mixed acid or mixed oxide, suboxide, peroxide. Okay, At first, mixed oxide. Mixed oxide means a compound is mixed with two oxide, or a compound dissociates and form two oxide is known as mixed oxide. So at first, mixed oxide form two type oxide Fe3O4. When we dissociate Fe3O4 form FeO plus Fe2O3. This is mixed oxide. And now suboxide. Suboxide, excess oxygen react with metal to form suboxide, that is KO2. Example, KO2, RbO2, CSO2, that is group 1 element react with excess oxygen form suboxide. And now peroxide, that is present peroxo bond. Peroxide means present peroxo bond, mean OO bond present peroxo bond. Example, hydrogen peroxide H2O2, sodium peroxide Na2O2, and barium peroxide BaO2. H2O2, Na2O2 and BaO2 is known as peroxide. Peroxide, OO bond means peroxo bond. Peroxo bond, peroxide. Example, H2O2, Na2O2 and BaO2. Okay, this is the example of peroxide. Okay, so this type of oxide. And now we discussed about ozone. Ozone is allotrope of oxygen. Ozone is allotrope of oxygen. Formula of ozone O3. Okay, so oxygen and ozone. Ozone is allotrope of oxygen. Only one allotrope of oxygen is ozone. O3, ozone. Allotrope of oxygen. Structure of O3, O. It is formed resonance. Okay, so in presence of resonance or due to resonance, every OO bond or oxygen-oxygen bond is equal, or bond length is equal, because due to resonance. So due to resonance, every OO bond length is equal. Okay, due to presence of resonance, every OO bond is equal, or bond length is equal. Preparation of ozone from O2. O2 to oxygen, oxygen to ozone, that is 3,2. Electricity. Electricity দিলে কি হয় না অক্সিজেন থেকে ওজোন ফর্ম করে। ক্লিয়ার? OO bond angle and OO bond length. OO bond angle equals to oxygen ozone form sp3 hybridization, so bond angle equals to 109.28 minute, 109 degree and 28 minute. But in case of resonance, bond angle increase or decrease? Bond angle increase, because OO bond double bond, form double bond, so bond angle increase. O3, so O3 double bond means sp2 hybridization, and here sp3 hybridization. So sp2 sp3 bond angle increase 109 and decrease from 1 to 0, 120 থেকে lower and 1098 to higher. So bond angle equals to 116 degree. Bond angle 116 degree for every atom. Due to resonance, bond angle increase. Okay, and now reaction of ozone. Chemical reactivity of ozone. Reactivity of ozone. Reaction of ozone. At first, ozone react with Ki. Ozone react with Ki plus O3 aqueous medium and form I2 plus KOH plus O2. Okay, ozone react with Ki. Ozone react with aqueous solution of Ki and form I2, KOH and oxygen gas. And secondly, ozone react with HX or HCl, HBr, HX plus HI, HBr, HCl, O3 and form X2 plus H2O plus O2, where X equals to chlorine, bromine and iodine, not fluorine, because reactivity of fluorine is maximum than ozone. So in case of HX, reaction is not possible. X means chlorine, bromine and iodine. Clear? And mainly ozone react with mercury and form mercurous oxide. This is very important. So mercury lost his shining property. When ozone react with mercury, form mercurous oxide, and then mercury lost its shining property. It is known as trailing of mercury. Very important, trailing of mercury. Very important, trailing of mercury. Okay, ozone react with mercury, O3 react with mercury and form mercurous oxide, mercurous oxide. So Hg means mercury loss its shining property or shining power. Shining power. This is known as trailing of mercury. This is known as trailing of mercury. Okay, reaction Hg plus O3, mercury react with ozone and form Hg2O plus oxygen. Okay, this is known as trailing of mercury. Very important for board exam. Mercury react with ozone and form mercurous oxide, and so mercury lost its shining property or shining power. This is known as trailing of mercury. Okay, clear? Okay, and now bleaching effect of ozone, bleaching effect of ozone. Bleaching effect of ozone. Bleaching effect of O3. Okay. Ozone dissociates into O2 plus O. This is nascent oxygen. O, nascent oxygen. We know that atomic oxygen or nascent oxygen is highly reactive than molecular oxygen or oxygen molecular oxygen. O is nascent oxygen, and now a colorless compound is colorless in presence of nascent oxygen. So color compound plus nascent oxygen form colorless compound. Colorless. Okay, this is bleaching effect of ozone. And a question, O2 and O3 both are oxidizing agent, but which is strong oxidizing agent among O2 and O3? O2 and O3, O3 is strong oxidizing agent. Strong oxidizing agent. Why? Why among O2 and O3, oxygen and ozone, ozone is strong oxidizing agent? Because ozone dissociates into O2 and O. We know that atomic oxygen or nascent oxygen is highly reactive than molecular oxygen. In case of ozone, oxidizing property through atomic oxygen or nascent oxygen. So oxidizing property of ozone is very high. Okay. O2 and O3. O2 is molecular oxygen and O3 dissociates into form nascent oxygen. We know that nascent oxygen is highly reactive than molecular oxygen. So oxidizing property or oxidizing power of ozone is greater than oxygen. Clear? Due to form of nascent oxygen. Due to form of nascent oxygen, ozone is highly reactive or highly or strong oxidizing agent behaves as a greater than oxygen, molecular oxygen. Clear? Okay. Now a question. Sodium thiosulfate react with iodine and form sodium thionate. Sodium thiosulfate means Na2H2O3 plus iodine. Sodium thiosulfate react with iodine and form sodium thionate, Na2S4O6 plus NaI. Na2H2O3 means sodium thiosulfate and Na2S4O6 sodium thionate. Okay, it forms sodium thionate. Starch solution is colorless in presence of iodine. Starch solution plus iodine কি হবে? Starch solution in presence of iodine colorless. Iodine can react, otherwise no. Okay, and now we discussed about sulfur. Sulfur S8. Sulfur form S8 but oxygen form O2. Why? because in case of oxygen, p-pi bond is strong, so oxygen form diatomic molecule O2, but in case of sulfur, atomic size is greater than oxygen, and here p-pi bond is weaker, so it cannot form H2 molecules. Okay, many sulfur atom combine with single bond or form S8 molecule. Okay, sulfur form S8 and oxygen form S2. Now compound of sulfur means SO2, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide. SO2 is polar and SO3 is non-polar. Okay, oxidation state or oxidation number of SO2 sulfur +4 and SO3 +6. So SO2 behaves as a both oxidizing and reducing agent. SO2 behaves as both oxidizing and reducing agent. Why? Because in SO2 sulfur is +4 oxidation state, but oxidation state of sulfur is maximum +6 and minimum +2. SO2 +4 oxidation state, maximum oxidation state of sulfur equals to +6 and minimum oxidation state of sulfur +2. So in SO2 sulfur is intermediate oxidation state, maximum +6 and minimum +2. SO2 +4, so in SO2 sulfur is in intermediate oxidation state, so it can increase its oxidation number to +6 and decrease oxidation number to +2. So in the case, or this is due to why SO2 behaves as a both oxidizing and reducing agent. Okay, give an example of reducing property and oxidizing property of sulfur or SO2. Okay, at first reducing power or reducing property of SO2, reducing property. Reducing property of SO2. SO2 react with KMnO4 plus SO2 plus H2O. It can forms MnSO4 K2SO4 and H2O. Okay, here oxidation number of manganese +7, sulfur +4 and manganese here +2 and MnSO4, K2SO4 and H2, oh not H2SO4, H2SO4 here oxidation state +6. So oxidation state of sulfur SO2 to +6, oxidation here oxidation occur, so SO2 is reducing agent. SO2 is reducing agent. Okay, in the reaction SO2 behaves as a reducing agent. And another reaction, that is potassium dichromate. K2Cr2O7, K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate react with SO2 in acidic medium H2SO4 and form Cr2SO4 এর whole 3 plus H2O plus K2SO4 plus H2O. This is green color PPT. Okay, so in this reaction also SO2 behaves as a reducing agent. Clear? Here color green, it must be remained in presence of SO2. K2Cr2O7 form a green color compound. Okay, and now oxidizing property of SO2. Oxidizing property of SO2. Oxidizing property of SO2, that is H2O. Water react with SO2, it form H2O SO2, it form H2SO3. Here plus 4 H2SO4 plus 6, no, this is not H2S plus SO2 form H2O plus sulfur. Here sulfur in plus 4 oxidation state and here sulfur 0, so oxidation number decrease, reduction occur, so in this reaction SO2 is oxidizing agent, okay. And now bleaching effect of SO2, okay. Bleaching effect of SO2. When SO2 is contact with water, SO2 plus H2O, it forms H2SO4 plus nascent hydrogen. H2SO2 plus H2O form H2SO4 plus nascent hydrogen. So nascent hydrogen plus color compound. Color compound, colorless, okay, colorless. But this is the bleaching property of SO2. But bleaching property of SO2 is unstable, not stable. Bleaching property of SO2 is unstable, okay. Why? Because bleaching property is due to the nascent hydrogen. So when in contact with air or oxygen, it can change its own color, okay. In the case of SO2, bleaching property is due to the nascent hydrogen. This is unstable. because when this is in contact with air or oxygen, it also form its own color, the compound. So bleaching property of SO2 is unstable, not stable. And now starch solution. Starch solution, starch plus iodine, blue color compound, blue color. Okay. Competitive exam, for competitive exam, color should be remind. And now oxoacid of sulfur and their structure. Oxoacids of sulfur, various type of oxoacids of sulfur. Oxoacid of sulfur and their structure. At first H2SO3, draw the structure. H2SO3 structure. Here oxidation state of sulfur plus 4. So S double bond O, OH and OH, one lone pair. Okay, pyramidal structure. And H2SO4, oxidation state of sulfur plus 4, that is plus 4 state. H2SO4, oxidation state of sulfur plus 6 state, plus 6. Structure is double bond O. So basicity of sulfur equals to 2 for both case, sulfurous acid and sulfuric acid. Okay. And now H2S2O3, structure of H2S2O3. H2S2O3. H2S2O3 structure S double bond S, double bond O, single bond OH and single bond OH, H2S2O3. And now H2SO5, H2SO5, here oxidation state of sulfur minus 2 and in case of this sulfur plus 6. H2SO5 structure is double bond O, single bond OH and OOH. Here present peroxo bond. Okay, this is peroxo bond. So in case of H2SO5 present peroxo bond. And now structure of this is also known as Carrot acid. Carrot acid. And now structure of Marshall acid. Marshall acid. Formula H2S2O8. H2S2O8 is known as Marshall acid. Structure sulfur, peroxo bond. Here also present peroxo bond. Okay, here also present peroxo bond. This is Marshall acid. And now H2S2O6, S2O6, sulfur OH is OH. Here present SS bond. SS bond. So in case of Carrot acid or Marshall acid present peroxo bond, but H2S2O6 SS bond. and oleum or pyrosulfuric acid. Oleum or pyrosulfuric acid means H2S2O7. Here present SOS bond. OH. So here present SOS bond. Okay. This is the oxo acids of sulfur. Okay. Okay. And now sulfuric acid. Preparation of sulfuric acid, we know that by using contact process. By using contact process, sulfuric acid should be prepared. So preparation of sulfuric acid H2SO4, structure and oxidation number is discussed before. Now men knows that when we form preparation of sulfur, at first sulfuric acid, at first sulfur reaction with oxygen form SO2, and SO2 react with oxygen to form SO3. Here a catalyst is used. Catalyst means Vanadt V2O5, that is to prepare sulfuric acid SO2 to SO3, vanadium pentoxide as a catalyst is used. Okay. So end of group 16. Okay. Next class we discussed about group 17.